Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. We've got another TMG tailgate rig rolling down the shop today. Now this one here is going to man Sam down in Texas. You know, we love all y'all Texas folks. And Sam has got quite the rig set up here. Now guys, like how we do all of our tailgate rigs, basically you call us up, we will figure out exactly what all you want, and then we will design the trailer around it. So we build the trailer in-house, everything, just about everything you see here besides the cooler and the fryer, we build in-house, all right? We take pride in that. So let's check out Sam's rig. We'll start up front here. So we've got an enclosed box, got 2 propane tanks, a 12-volt battery in there. That is for his electric jack, all right? So he's upgraded to our 12-volt power package electric jack. Got your breakaway system in there as well. A little extra storage too. As you can see, they did get a custom paint job on this, light gray Axalta paint. Came out real slick. Now up front here, we've got one 10-inch burner here, no griddle top, just the open burner, regulator there, a little stainless steel shelf next to it. Of course, he had to grab one of our TMG Pits Orca coolers. Guys, you can also get these on our website. Underneath that cooler, we got a slide out drawer here. Real heavy duty, locks out, locks in. Of course, we got him a custom logo there, double barrel incorporated. Big Texas guy here, I love it. And in the middle of the trailer, we've got our storage compartment here with the stainless steel prep tops on it. So these slide out, it will come all the way out if you need to, but prep off this, serve off of it. Got a lot of storage underneath here, guys. One thing we've learned about building these trailers, you will never have enough storage, all right? Or enough stainless steel. Storage and stainless steel, they go great together. Speaking of stainless steel, we got stainless steel fender toppers on this. I don't know if y'all seen those wheels yet, but we got some badass upgraded wheels and tires. This does have big boy 7K torsion axles on it. We got our Fridge 48 smoker here. This is by far our most popular smoker. Reverse flow, 3 sliding trays in here, tons of cook room. Come around here to the side, so we've got a insulated firebox on this unit. Still got your fire management cradle in there. And it also has our hot box on it. Now this is our 30-inch hot box. Now we got 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 square inches of cook space just in this hot box alone. That's because we love America, folks. And what we love about our hot box, it runs completely independent from the smoker, so you can be running at 2 different temperatures at the same time, which is really awesome. And did I mention to y'all about stainless steel on your pit? We've got another stainless steel prep top here. Now this one folds up. So this is a great place to store all your wood down here right next to the smoker and the grill. Fold it down, lock it up, and you got your prep top here. And here is that 48-inch Santa Maria grill. Guys, these grills are awesome. Can raise and lower your cooking grate, all 3/16 plate steel. You got your double doors here to open up to tend the fire. Does have some built-in grease trains here. We got the angle iron grate. Just helps keep your grease under control. Of course, another stainless steel fender topper here. Other side of your storage box. And up here we've got a 8.5 gallon triple basket fryer here. Got your individual regulator for that as well. And then on this side we've got 2 more propane burners with our flip up griddle top. So you flip that back if you want to set pots and pans up there. If not, fold it down. You've got a real heavy duty 1/4-inch plate steel griddle top here. And of course we finish them off with a matching spare tire up front, I will say. Really slick rig here, guys. We really enjoyed building this. Sam's been great to work with. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.